Join me as I test out the coolest attractions at Ziggepark in Veldhoven, Netherlands, and see if they really live up to the hype for outdoor fun. Ziggepark in Veldhoven, the Netherlands, has been named the Netherlands' smartest new park due to its innovative and sustainable design, which focuses on climate adaptation, water management, and biodiversity. Ziggepark is a groundbreaking outdoor facility in Veldhoven that's changing the game for families and friends looking for a fun day out. Imagine a place where you can let loose, have some serious fun, and make amazing memories with your loved ones. That's exactly what Ziggepark is all about. Here's a more detailed look into what makes Ziggepark so advanced. 1. The Green-Blue Zone concept. The term Green-Blue Zone perfectly encapsulates the park's function. It's a dual-purpose area. Green, it's a lush, biodiverse park with a variety of plant life. This green infrastructure provides shade, cools the environment, and creates habitats for local flora and fauna. Blue, it's a water management system. The park is specifically designed to collect and hold rainwater. This is crucial for Veldhoven, which has faced issues with water runoff and flooding. By capturing stormwater, the park reduces the burden on the municipal sewer system and helps prevent waterlogging in residential areas. Easing drought periods. 2. Innovative water management in practice. The park's water system is a sophisticated network of natural elements. Wadis, these are shallow, vegetated ditches or depressions that are a key feature of the park. When it rains, the wadis collect the water, allowing it to slowly seep into the ground. This not only filters the water naturally but also recharges the groundwater. Water permeable zones. Large sections of the park's pathways and open areas are made of permeable materials, allowing water to pass through and be absorbed by the soil. This is a contrast to traditional, paved surfaces that cause water to run off immediately. Connection to local waterways. The park's system is integrated with the local hydrology. After passing through the wadis and other features, the water is eventually directed toward the Rungraaf stream, ensuring a controlled and natural outflow. 3. Biodiversity. The park's design incorporates a variety of new trees, shrubs, and flowering plants to enhance local biodiversity. This creates a more resilient ecosystem, providing habitats for a wider range of plant and animal species. 4. Community-driven design. The municipality of Veldhoven actively involved its citizens in the development of the park. The name Ziggepark was chosen by public vote, referencing the historical Zigge or marshy area that once existed between the villages of Earl and Zeelst. This approach helps to build a sense of community ownership and pride in the project, encouraging residents to use and care for the space. 5. Educational and social benefits. Ziggepark is more than just a piece of green infrastructure, it's a social hub and an educational tool. Recreation. The park provides a place for people to walk, relax, and play, enhancing the quality of life for residents. Education. Information boards are placed throughout the park to explain its functions and the importance of its ecological design. This helps to raise awareness about climate adaptation and the role that urban green spaces can play in creating a sustainable future. The creation of Ziggepark is part of a broader national push in the Netherlands to make urban areas more resilient to climate change. Similar projects, such as the redevelopment of Hoogpad in Veldhoven and various initiatives in cities like Amsterdam and Utrecht, are using integrated design to combat issues like urban heat islands and water stress. These projects demonstrate a shift from simply building infrastructure to creating multifunctional landscapes that benefit both people and the environment. What do you think about Ziggepark? Have you visited or heard about it? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in exploring more local attractions, be sure to check out our next video featuring hidden gems in Veldhoven.